Well, we were talking about a hero car yesterday. Exotics, maybe an Acura NSX, maybe an Alfa Romeo SZ, some type of GT3. And within 15 minutes, we found this on Facebook Marketplace, and we are now here at the Shiloh Baptist Church, and we've just done a deal on this 1998 GMC Savana 25-seater. What does it say under Jesus Bus?
I was trying to read that.
It says, give us a call, we'll have a ball.
There's space for luggage up top, full surround sound. It's got the 6.5 diesel in it. There's a CB radio with a bad cable. There's a VHS player and a DVD player. And sky's the limit, really, you know.
Do these come with it? A nice yellow rain jacket. I hope this comes with it. What do we have here? Refrigerator.
It's got a couple little bumps and scratches, few years, but overall she's a cream puff. James?
I couldn't be more excited myself, really. This is going to be the means of transportation for Cannonball Club Philadelphia as far as going to any of our upcoming events, including MonsterJam at the Link or Black Tie at Bridgeport. We will be riding in style.